Introducing the 4-liter, 1-gallon Expediter 1100 series, the largest capacity and most powerful Expediter culinary blender. More versatile than the average food blender, the Expediter family of culinary blenders is specifically designed to serve artisans of flavor. Whether you prefer a stainless or clear jar, because the 3.5 horsepower motor base is situated behind the jar and not below, the Expediter 1100 series features a much lower profile design than its competitors with the motor underneath. This significantly reduces the height, making it easy to add ingredients and evaluate the texture of the blend from above, and far more portable around the kitchen. Many chefs prefer having both a stainless and a clear jar, so they have a handy backup at their fingertips to blend 2 different recipes consecutively, so they can handle a broader variety of culinary applications, and for twice as much capacity. The unique stainless steel jar provides a transparent lid for optimal control over food texture and consistency from above. And both the stainless and the clear jar include a dosing cup, making it easy to add a consistent drizzle of liquids, such as olive oil or clarified butter, during the blend. If the lid is removed, you will notice a special lid interlock safety feature that will immediately halt the blending process. If this occurs, the indicator light will blink repeatedly, notifying the operator that they must secure the lid properly to continue. Whether it's soups, salsas, hummus, sauces, or handcrafted base ingredients like almond milk, ground spices, and batters, compared with smaller or less powerful food blenders, the 4-liter 1-gallon capacity and speed of the Expediter 1100 series provides far more power and productivity for your team. The easy-to-read and clean touchpad controls provide the versatility that chefs demand, along with consistent and timely finished results. The variable speed control is front and center and allows the operator to blend from a very low speed, perfect for salad dressings or chopping and grinding, to high speed to quickly create a delicious creamy smoothie, and every increment in between. The unique chop function pulses the blades between low and a chef-selected variable speed. This pulsing action offers maximum chopping control and helps to keep ingredients moving inside the jar until the desired consistency. The pulse feature offers the ultimate control in short bursts to treat ingredients with ultimate care, yet closely monitoring incremental blends. And the Expediter 1100 series offers fixed times of 30 seconds, 1, 2, or 3 minutes at any speed required, enabling operators to walk away if they need to accomplish other tasks during the blend. 2 programmable buttons provide automated blending steps for signature or repeated recipes, keeping them highly consistent from batch to batch, and further freeing up staff to multitask. And as your menu changes, program cycles are easily updated via memory card. Based on our research and direct from chefs around the globe, we specifically designed the Expediter 1100 series as easy to clean as possible. Simply pull off the jar pad, cleaning and wiping down the entire base, then remove the lid, the latches, and the rubber seal for washing separately. At Hamilton Beach Commercial, we know how important it is to keep your business running. For this reason, the Expediter 1100 series warranty covers 3 years parts and labor, with express care service for the first 2 years in the United States. Outside of the United States, our Global Care Service program covers 3 years parts and labor. Plus, on top of the standard warranty, we are proud to offer a global lifetime warranty on the stainless steel blades and the motor drive coupling. The Expediter 1100 and 1100S are the largest and most powerful blenders in the Expediter family of culinary blenders, and a signature of flavor worldwide.